Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a check engine light on in our 2019 Kia Forte, and we're going to go ahead and check the code and see what it is. So we got an OBD2 scanner hooked up to the OBD2 port, and this is a generic, or not generic, but this is a basic OBD2 scanner that will check the ECU, and that's pretty much it. So we'll go into the main menu, we're going to hit diagnostic. Now it's communicating with the vehicle, and then we delete our previous option. Our check engine light's on, which we know that it's on, we can see that it's on, key on in the on position, and we're going to go ahead and read the codes, our stored codes. The manifold absolute pressure circuit is low. Oh, and this comes up with two. The intake air temperature sensor 1 circuit is high. So it's kind of flipped on two at the same time, but we'll start with the manifold absolute pressure, or sometimes called the MAP sensor, MAP, but it's the manifold absolute pressure, which is a, it senses the pressure in the manifold, intake manifold. And so for whatever reason that is low. Can be the sensor, it could be that there is a leak somewhere else, but we'll visually look at the sensor. If the sensor is dirty, you can clean it, or just get a new one and replace it. So the manifold absolute pressure, the MAP sensor, is right down here. It's kind of hard to get in there to see, but it's right down here. There's a number 10 nut that we need to loosen to get it off, but we also need to push this clip down to be able to get the connector to come undone. And then it's kind of tight in here, but should be able to get it. So we've removed the bolt, and then a lot of times if you just shift them a little bit to the side as you pull out, that gets it rotated to free it. Then we pull it out and we check it. It's got a little bit of oil on it. Go ahead and clean that. But if there's no visual signs of issues, then you just go ahead and get a new sensor and replace it. Again, we'll go ahead and check that that O-ring came out and that we don't have one already in there. So then you just take the new one, line it back up in the hole there, and then there we go. It's good snug. Make sure you hit the electrical connector back up. Lock it back into place. And now we'll go and delete the code and check and make sure it doesn't come back on. So back in the car, we have the key still on in the on position, car not started. And then we've got our OBD2 scanner hooked up. And we're going to go back to the main menu. We're going to go to erase codes. We hit erase. Asks us if we really want to do that. We say yes. And then so then you just start it a few times, make sure it doesn't come right back on, and then do your best, go through your normal routine. Getting the RPMs up and driving it around, and make sure your check engine code doesn't come back on. If it does, go ahead and check it, and then go ahead and see what else you maybe need to do. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.